The kid stares directly into the camera, his posture rigid and his gaze unwavering, and states, "The schools are destroying our nation, and it is time for the church to take back our schools." A union leader sits behind a mahogany desk, leaning forward with a cold, calculated smile. "We are the local school union," the union leader says, "and we have your kids." That statement should strike fear into the heart of every American, the kid declares. He continues, "Yet, churches remain silent while progressives dismantle our children's future." In a classroom, a teacher methodically tears down the flag, the Bill of Rights, and the Ten Commandments. She hammers up signs about gender and race. The kid's voice cuts through. "They are redefining truth right under our noses." At home, a child glares at his mother. Linda drops her towel, pale with shock. "You have been lying to me," the child shouts. "And my teacher says I don't have to go to church." The kid holds a tablet showing a map. "This is happening every day in our public schools," he explains. And the kid declares, "Here's the solution. School board elections have historically low voter turnout," he continues. "A tiny handful of votes decides who controls your schools." The kid points out, "The power is in your hands." In a sunlit church, Bob gathers his team from the neighborhood churches. "We must select a candidate from our pews and unite," he says. "When we unite, we win." Hundreds of church members from different churches file into the polling station. When the church shows up, the numbers shift. The American flag, the Bill of Rights, and the Ten Commandments goes back up, and we can recite the Lord's Prayer again. It is a simple strategy. Even a kid can understand this. Join the mission today. Churches unite and save our children and our nation. Glory be to God.